Baby crawl exercise. Step 1. Start on all fours, hands and knees. Step 2. Reach forward with one hand while moving the opposite knee forward. Step 3. Keep knees touching the ground. Step 4. Move slowly and keep a steady rhythm. Do the same step by doing a backward crawling exercise for baby walk.
Starts on hands and feet with hips high, knees slightly bent. Step 2. Left knees off the ground a little so weight is on hands and toes. Step 3. Move right hands and left foot forward together, then left hand and right foot. Step 4. Keep hips low and move smoothly.
Gorilla walk. Step 1. Stand with feet wider than shoulder width. Step 2. Bend knees and crunch low. Step 3. Place hand on the ground in front of you. Step 4. Move forward by stepping each foot and hand together. Step 1. Start in a high plank, hands under the shoulder. Step 2. Move right hands and right foot forward in a small step, then left hand and left foot. Step 3. Keep body straight.
Running exercise. Step 1. Stand tall with knees slightly bent. Step 2. Swing opposite arm and leg together. Step 3. Push off with toes and land softly on the midfoot.
Linear high knee march walk. Step 1. Stand tall. Step 2. Lift right knee up to hip level while swinging left arm forward. Step 3. Lower and repeat with left knee and right arm. Step 4. Walk forward slowly or march in place.
Skip in place. Step 1. Left one knee to hip height while balancing on the other leg. Step 2. Lower the foot, then raise the other leg to repeat the motion. Step 3. Continue alternating legs, maintaining an up and right posture.
Back pedal. Step 1. Start in a low athletic stand with your hips low and knees bent. Step 2. Push off the ground with your feet to shuffle backward. Step 3. Keep your hips low and push the ground away with each step, maintaining a neutral spine.
Backward jog. Step 1. Run backward by taking larger step than in a back pedal. Step 2. Lean forward slightly from the hips and keep your head up. Step 3. Focus on a smooth cycling motion, reaching your legs backward as you move.
Side shuffle. Step 1. Start in a low athletic stand, feet wide. Step 2. Step right with the right foot. Step 3. Quickly slide the left foot in maintaining the wide stance.
Step 1. Stand tall. Step 2. Left one knee high while hopping off the ground with opposite foot. Step 3. Land softly on a ball of
High knee exercise. Step 1. Stand with feet hip width apart. Step 2. Run in place, lifting each knee toward the hip level with every step. Step 3. Keep core engaged and maintain good running posture.
Step 1. Step out with the lead foot. Step 2. Cross the back foot in front of the lead foot. Step 3. Step out again with the lead foot. Step 4. Cross the back foot behind the lead foot. Step 5. Repeat rhythmically to move laterally, switches direction to lead with the other foot.
lateral jump. Stand with feet hip width apart and lower into a squatter squat. Step 2. Explode upward and sideways, pushing off the ground and swinging your arms for momentum.
Squat jump exercise. Step 1. Stand with feet shoulder width apart and lower into a squat by pushing your hips back. Step 2. Explosively jump straight up, extending your hips, knees, and ankles. Step 3. Land softly with bent knees, returning immediately to the squat position to repeat the movement.
Step 1. Stand with feet shoulder width apart and arms at your side. Step 2. Bend your knees and hips, swinging your arms backward to generate momentum. Step 3. Explosively extend your hips, knees, and ankles while swinging your arms forward.
Jump. Step 1. Starting position. Stand with the feet to shoulder width apart. Step 2. Jump. Bend your knees into a squatter squat, then exclusively jump straight up. Step 3. Tuck. As you jump, drive your knees up toward your chest and use your arm to help with the momentum. Step 4. Land. Land softly on the balls of your feet